which are there before this Hong Court. That is the humble submission.
My lord. My lord, in the present case, maybe there are counter case registered, but the MLC report, my lord, which is with the state.
एक मिनट सर मैं देख ले रहा हूँ, कर लेना.
The MLC report, which is with the state, the third injury, my lord, injury number 3, dangerous to life. That may also be checked, my lord. And I want to make very specific submission in this matter, my lord. Right now, I have been informed that 307 is also in this matter because the injury is dangerous to life. Secondly, my lord, there are common intention in this matter, so it does not matter that there are specific allegation or not, because 34 is also that common intention is clearly made up. In this matter, and human blood also found on the cloth. This is clearly coming out in the impugn order, my lord, of the session court, my lord. Grievous injury was there. Tension between the party was very much there from the very beginning. So a counter case registration does not make any difference in the present matter, my lord. The accused is absconding soon after the incident. Now the issue of charge sheet, which my lord has rightly put it out. My lord, generally in such type of cases, police does not put up the charge sheet because the person is absconding. And if a charge sheet has to be filed, then वो फरारी में charge sheet put up करनी पड़ती, my lord. So generally police tries to catch this person. So that is why charge sheet.
फर्जी पंचनामा वगैरह बना रखा था.
My lord, that is there, and at the same time इनके
बना हुआ
खिलाफ तो
था.
इनाम भी.
इसका फरारी पंचनामा
और उस प्रोसीडिंग भी कैसी बैसी की इनिशिएट, मतलब उसकी प्रॉपर्टी का डिटेल वगैरह भी वो कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं इन्हीं के खिलाफ. उसको डिटेल मांगा है पूरा पटवारी से, तहसीलदार से, किसके नाम पे क्या प्रॉपर्टी.
And right now, if the proceeding under section 82 has been initiated, then anticipatory bail is not maintainable in this
अभी
matter.
इनिशिएट नहीं किया, पर वो उसमें प्रॉपर्टी का डिटेल वगैरह मांग लिया है, इसमें है डॉक्यूमेंट.
And very specifically, my lord, I'll just make one last submission. The accused, the MLC of the present matter, several MLCs which are read out by my learned senior. In the present matter, Anand Pal Singh, this was the MLC, sir. This is injury number 3, dangerous to life, which clearly makes out 307. And in 307, I submit that anticipatory bail may not be granted in this matter.
The impugn order, kindly see page number 18 of the impugn order. Noted the second paragraph of the, इसमें है केस डायरी के अवलोकन से दर्शित है कि प्रकरण के दौरान विवेचना पर चोटों की एमएलसी स्मार्ट सिटी अस्पताल कर रही थी. अरविंद पाल के कपड़े जब्त किए जाकर घटनास्थल की मिट्टी जब्त की गई. दौरान विवेचना घटनास्थल का नक्शा तैयार किया जाकर जब शुदा कपड़ों को सागर एफएसएल भेजकर उनका परीक्षण रिपोर्ट में डॉक्टर बड़ोनिया द्वारा किए गए परीक्षण के आधार पर टी शर्ट एवं सफेद रंग की बुनियाद पर उपने के निशान की प्रकृति तेज धार युक्त हथियार के प्रहार से बने कट्टे के निशानों के समान होना है. एफएसएल therefore the custodial interrogation and the weapons are also required to be seized from the applicants, my lord. The query report is there. The doctor has opined that the kindly see the page number 26 of the case diary, my lord. The query report is there, जिसमें डॉक्टर ने कहा कि घायल को पहुंचाई कि चोट धारदार हथियार से आना संभव है. घायल को
suggesting that weapon is to be seized from this
No, not from us, sir. वो आप मैं वही निवेदन कर.
ये बोला ही नहीं था कि उसने कोई वेपन यूज किया.
उसके खिलाफ एलिगेशन ही नहीं वेपन यूज करने का. वेपन यूज करने का एलिगेशन है अमोल सिंह पर, और अमोल सिंह की मैंने कोई बेल एप्लीकेशन आपके समक्ष लगाई नहीं है.
यूज करना कवर करना है.
मैंने अमोल सिंह कोई बेल नहीं लगाई.
नहीं, अमोल सिंह की बात नहीं हो रही. इनके खिलाफ तो एफआईआर में
नहीं मारने का.
वेपन कहाँ से सीज करना है?
There are 5 persons in this case, model by name.
वो अलग बात रही. 34 के साथ आ रहे हैं वहाँ.
Definitely, weapon issue is not with Anand Singh, my lord, but there is common intention in this matter. That is what I have to regarding that. And because there is a common intention, my lord, that is a matter of fact in the trial. Whether who has assaulted who in the FIR, that cannot come in a very direct manner कि किसने किसको मारा. It is something like this कि जब trial होगी तभी पता चल पाएगा. And there are several people are involved and one person is being assaulted. That cannot be seen right now in the FIR whether the exact allegation has been made or not. That is why 34 has been made out, and in this matter 307 has been enhanced.
मारने का as per FIR, Aniket, the bail application is Aniket is there.
Anand has filed the application, not Aniket.
No, total 5 persons have filed.
अरे सर उसको देख लेना थोड़ा सा प्लीज, थोड़ा देख के बहस कर लेना.
अनंत आकाश
अच्छा अनिकेत भी है क्या?
सर अनिकेत की नहीं, अनिकेत ने लकड़ी मारी और अमोल ने अपने पास नकीली चीज मारी। वो नकीली चीज मारने का अमोल के खिलाफ में एलिगेशन है।
अच्छा अनिकेत भी आया।
मैम ने निवेदन मेरा थोड़ा सा आपके समक्ष है। What I humbly submit before my lord that this is the case where my learned friend says that the scope of section 34 is to be considered. Now the humble submission would be that the section 34 would not be applicable because it's a case of free fight or there's a counter case. Now, once there's a counter case which is there, I've filed those documents and kindly consider this aspect. What my learned friend has said that the incident is said to have taken place 2022 में, March 2022 में. Given the benefit under section 41 because at that juncture the offence was only under section 323 of the Indian Penal Code. And what I humbly submit before the small court, my lord, is what lordships are to kindly see, my lord, I bring before lordships is Siddharam Mahatre, the judgment and relevant, only reading the relevant portion, paragraph number 112. The courts must evaluate the entire material against the accused carefully. The court must also comprehend the exact role of the accused. The case in which the accused is implicated in the behavior of section 34 or 149 of the Indian Penal Code should be considered with greater care and caution because over implication in cases is a matter of common knowledge and concern. And kindly consider this aspect. My learned friend was just holding that MLC, my lord. I'll just bring before this MLC before the small court. Now kindly see what are the injuries. के खिलाफ एलिगेशन माने एक ने डंडा मारा, एक ने चाकू मारा। उसकी चोटें क्या है? Lacerated wound right side head. This is simple. The other one is right side injury, deep incise wound over right side abdomen. ये चोट आती है, एलिगेशन आता है अमोल सिंह के पास कोई नुकीली धारदार वस्तु से चाचा अरविंद पाल को चाकू मारने का. So what I humbly submit, this is the individual act of the gentleman who has caused this particular injury and kindly consider किस बात पे झगड़ा हो रहा था. इनकी लड़की को लेके भाग गए. जब लड़की लेके भाग के गांव में पंचायत, उधर पे झगड़े मच गए. And we are not criminals, no previous records. And no proceedings under section 82 has been initiated, nor under section 83 has been initiated till date. The declaration of reward by the SP has no meaning. For that, we have the judgment of our own High Court, that is Rajni Rijwani. I just place that judgment for lordships, in which the Honorable High Court has held merely because SP may have declared a reward that would not prevent an application under section 438 of the CRPC. The Supreme Court says that if a person has been declared an absconder, that would be initiating proceedings under section 82, 83. And only then the application is precluded from being heard. No proceeding of 82, 83 has been taken till date. And the incident is case and counter case is the version. So scope of section 34. For that, lordship may be kind enough to kindly have this 2015 volume 4 Supreme Court cases. Note, this is Prabhu Govindji Rathore. In cases of free fight, accused are to fasten with individual liability taking consideration of specific law. Section 34 or 149 would not be applicable. That is the humble submission, sir.
अब आर्गुमेंट, फिर आर्गुमेंट मुझसे कहा गया था कि एक छोटा सा आर्गुमेंट होगा आज.
Yes. With the
यहीं से शुरू हुआ था कि मैं बहुत छोटा
Because lordships are running short of time.
मैं
That is the
कही
reason why I'm
यही
submitting.
तो कह रही थी, लेकिन ये इतना फैलता गया. अब इसके बाद क्या बचा?
Reply करने के बाद argument का आप reply होता नहीं है.
Already winded up the arguments. I just point out one
Yes.
thing, my lord, just to the rebuttal. Section 34, kindly be read, my lord. Acts done by
This is
several.
what I'm submitting. Section 34 would not be applicable. It is the individual act which has to see as a case of counter case.
I say, my lord, 34 would be applicable herein because act done when a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of a common intention of all, each of such person is liable for the act in the same manner as if it were done by him alone. So this is a very clear interpretation, my lord, that 34 is applicable. So therefore 307 is also applicable here, and that cannot be said out कि इसने इसको नहीं मारा. And 82 is already initiated, my lord.
82 has not been initiated.
As
he has not.
the state.
Don't make a statement, please.
As pointed.
बहस होगी हमारे खिलाफ में.
नहीं प्रोसीडिंग इनिशिएट हुई है कि वो प्रॉपर्टी की जानकारी मांगी
कोई प्रोसीडिंग कोर्ट में कोई एप्लीकेशन फाइल नहीं हुई है.
केस डायरी इस बेल एप्लीकेशन में टोटल 5 लोगों की बेल लगी हुई है. जो आकाश और अनिकेत के ऊपर भी लकड़ी मारने का एलिगेशन आया है एफआईआर.
दैट इज द हम्बल सबमिशन. वो एमएलसी की डेट भी देख लीजिएगा मैडम, और ये भी देखिएगा कि प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल उनके खुद के जीजा का अस्पताल है वो उधर पे है.
There were 5.